Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 2a and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this general section we have to find the apps. So as you can see, they are at the top of the list, so let's tap on it and then see all 40 apps, of course 40 in my case. Now let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Reset App Preferences. And as you can see, your device will inform you what it will actually reset, so among others, disabled app notifications, background data restrictions for apps, and battery usage settings. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps, and basically this is it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.